If you've got a brand new YouTube account, you're starting completely from scratch, this is the video that you need to watch. I'm gonna go into step-by-step focus and planning, and this is all coming from the experts, not from me. And I'm gonna be sharing with you what the YouTube experts don't want us newbies to know. Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sally, aka Sal Pal, and I am brand new to all of this. I'm using my time to research everything that I can possibly get my hands on to make this YouTube experience successful for me. If you want to know more about me and how I got to this point, I will link that video down below. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, share, all the things, because we all know if you don't do that, none of this works. Also, PSA, if you're brand new and just starting like I am, put your link down below. I want to see your channel. I want to see what you're doing. This is an experience for all of us to grow and learn together. Okay, first things first is going to be you have to pick your niche. And I found a great formula that you can use to do that. If you're struggling, I'm gonna put it right here. You're gonna take these two sides and you're gonna find your middle area, and that's what you wanna run with. Also, from everything that I've seen from the experts, don't be afraid to mix it up. When you're first starting out, if the niche you picked is not working for you, or if you decide that it's not what you want to do, you're still new, you're still growing, go ahead and switch it up. Okay, the second thing that we're gonna be focusing on is literally focus and breakdown. Very few people on YouTube, especially if you're new, can jump in front of a camera and output some great videos that people are going to be interested in. You want to plan your video out step by step. You should have idea lists everywhere. I know I do. I think everything is filling up around here. So that's going to be so important, because even as you go at one idea, you're going to have another pop in your head and another and another. You want to make sure that you're writing all of this down, because you never know when you're going to have that brand new idea that nobody else has hit on, and that's going to be your video that gets you out there. Third is going to be packaging and title. The general consensus after watching all of these experts is that the simpler the better, especially for your thumbnail. You want it to be crisp and clean. You don't want it overwhelmed with a bunch of objects all over the place or too many words. You're going to lose interest that way. Your title. This is one of the pro tips, and I was actually kind of shocked at what they all recommend. Their biggest recommendation for title is to find what's already popular and use it. So basically, you want to search in your niche and find what's trending right now. Take those titles and break it down into something that you can use. Make it your own, put your unique spin on it. So for instance, a trending title that I took inspiration from for this video was what the YouTube experts don't want you to know. So I kind of just twisted that a little, and there you go. Next is going to be your intro. What are they getting out of this video? You want to quickly hit on what they will gain or learn from watching your video. Then you're going to throw in your hook. You need to throw into your intro something that's going to make your viewer want to watch all the way to the end. And that's just a couple of the pro tips. Wait until you hear the next one. See what I did there? This honestly was a great tip for me, because it's something that I wouldn't have naturally thought of to put into my videos. Then you're gonna welcome your viewers. Try to make it short and sweet. Explain what they are going to get out of this video, followed by your call to action. Now, this seems counterproductive to me. It seems kind of silly, but all of the expert guys that I've been watching and learning from have been saying that if you actually tell people to comment, like, or subscribe to you, you have a 50% chance of them actually doing it versus not saying anything about that. Okay, you ready for another pro tip? Each video that you make should have a clear path connecting it to either a past video or a future video. For instance, in this video, I'm focusing on the layout of your first videos. I can refer back to this one in future videos. I can say, if you want an even better breakdown of packaging and mapping, I'll link that video down below. And one final takeaway from what I've gathered from the top guys so far is, no matter what you do, your first 10 videos are gonna just flop. Which really sucks, because I've gathered a lot of my best information in these videos. Obviously, don't give up. This is gonna be a path, a journey. It's gonna take a while. You need to just stick with it. Keep coming back here. I promise I'm gonna keep putting out all the best information on the tips and tricks that I can find, so that you don't have to go watch hours of videos like I've been doing.